Okay, a bit nervous now.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a painkiller 1 second because my
Your
leg.
painkiller reaches for the alcohol.
What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy. What was my name again? ENT Productions. It's been a while. This is the first video.
Remember ENT Productions? Back in the old days.
I've got no idea who that is. Someone must have dropped into my Discord call. Yeah.
I'm Entgammon.
And Gammon.
Yes, the gaming channel.
Right. Yeah. I thought I deleted you.
I always come back.
It's a FNAF reference. Because it's me, Dixie, from the FNAF video.
Oh, hey Dixie. I didn't realise you were there. Oh,
This
hi.
is how I always introduce myself now.
Yeah, hey. I didn't realise because, funny that, I'm just about to listen to All My Sons and Daughters by Fictioneers. Have you ever heard of it?
That's crazy. I actually have, funnily enough. I actually
Wow, really?
hate them. Honestly. Kind of pretentious.
Oh, I mean, I'm about to listen to them. Should I just, like, give it a miss, or...?
I mean, you should listen, but I mean, you might regret it.
Oh, well, I regret most things anyway, so... Free
You're right,
YouTube
you're right.
content.
Content, yes!
Yes! Yes, content. So yes, if you don't know what the Fictioneers are, it is a collaboration project between two people I've never worked with before in the past, Y. Isaac and Dixie. And so if you are interested in what it's going to be like, here's a little pre-made introduction for you all. And then we'll just put that there.
Yeah.
I guess it's time to give a little reaction to this, I guess. I haven't listened to any of it before. We're recording this like 3 or 4 days after it dropped. I've only heard the singles from it, which was, I recognise Maybe Boy on the list here.
Yeah.
Dreadnought, okay. I definitely know Dreadnought. Is it Just One Day? Was that
Just One Day was the first single.
Yeah, is that... I just realised, is that a Flemcore reference?
Just the one day, actually.
And then, I'm noticing there's some explicit warnings here.
Holy
Was
moly.
this vetted?
Um,
Does Y. Isaac swear on this?
Isaac has had some... Isaac's creative input in this album was a lot of production,
Uh-huh.
some of the songs,
Mhm.
and for the most part, holding me back so I don't cancel myself.
Yeah, that, I've had similar experiences.
For example, in the last 2 weeks of production, he decided that well, we had too many songs anyway, so we had to cut them. And the first one on the chopping block, he was like, "How much are you in love with this one song?" Because it was one I wrote as a homoerotic love ballad from his perspective about me.
You cut that one out.
Yeah, we cut that one.
That's
it had too many
unfortunate.
explicit lyrics.
You know, the original version of Young Cook Be My Stepdaddy was more of a love letter.
Oh,
So I can definitely
Relate to
see
that.
that. Yeah.
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 Well, maybe it release another time, post-album singles. Who knows?
No.
No one. Right, this.
I mean, I heard the ambience. Was that the raw?
That's the roll.
That's the raw? Oh my... Okay.
You made
all
it.
right.
You made
So-
it.
So for context, everyone at home, that was me. That ambient sound was me. I was asked to scream as if I'd been asked to... Oh, what was it? You gave me specific instructions. Alright, so, let's see. You want me to scream like Richard is playing Megalovania whilst singing You Are a Pile of Dirt. Okay, let me see, how would I internalize that? To like how I would react to that, and I just made like a guttural, loud scream, and they used it on an old track that they made together. But I didn't know it was going to be on here. Did you remaster this one as well?
Yeah, a lot of it's remade.
Yeah. Oh, it keeps. Why does it keep pausing? I'm hoping for a smooth transition.
It paused.
Ah! And we're back. So, for some reason my Spotify was bugging out, not quite sure why, so just to keep it going, we're going to start back at the beginning, and, you know, actually appreciate it properly. You don't put a mid-roll ad in, do you?
Oh, no.
Okay, good. Good. The photo is also, like, super indie as well.
Yeah, yeah. I had to talk him to go outside a couple times. Do some photo shoots.
Yeah. That must have been really hard when you're going outside. So we're back to Maybe Boy, but I just realised, is there a, Oh, that's a shame, there isn't like a track listing. There is a mid-roll! And we're back. Third time's the charm. 50 minutes. Okay, we're gonna be here a while.
Yeah.
Alright. Can I skip Scream?
Yeah, just skip to
Okay.
Maybe Boy. Please.
Oh, it's got like the music video as well. That's cool.
I didn't even know that.
I've noticed they didn't integrate a volume. Oh no, they did. Okay. That would have been very cursed. A music player without a
Volume control.
Yeah. I wouldn't
should
put it
make
past
that.
them. I wouldn't put it past them. I'm gonna full screen.
Very folky.
Mm.
We're going for some ethnic folk rock here.
Ethnic. Uh-oh.
European.
Whoa, who's that? She's hot.
My favourite bit of the entire project.
Oh, I didn't realise that, like, the sort of, like... I didn't realise that before. The speaking bit.
No, the talk box. Yeah.
Yeah, talkbacks.
I insisted we have this choral section and then put talk box over it.
It works.
Isaac's guitars here are great.
I like the percussion of this bit, like, building up.
Yeah, I love that. That's
Also-
one of those golden moments where that was how it was in my head. Like, that was the vision, and Isaac just got it, and he just,
Yeah.
built upon it, improved upon it. It was really good.
With 28 kitchen ranges.
Oh boy! Ooh.
We're in free time at the moment.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, it's like, that's not... Very rocky.
Yeah. Which was a very American accent there.
Yeah.
Naturally, Isaac forced me to go full country.
Poor country music. Yeah, I really like this one. Oh god, what? Why did that skip it? I was just doing it for a bit.
So, the other day
What?
I started a health kick.
Nice.
But I got
Liking a song on this, or disliking it, just closes it. That's so dumb. That is such a dumb
no
design.
gear. So
And now there's a 12-second ad.
Watch the ad. Give me money. Watch the ad.
Savvy Soul says.
Brand Outlet on eBay has mad deals on trainers.
Now
It's
I'm
on
sitting down,
eBay.
I
Go
fall
on
over,
eBay.
and that's
Go
when I
get
saw that.
eBay.
I like your
Go
shirt.
support
And you said-
Fictioneers and get
I got it on
eBay.
eBay.
I like that Blur is recommended.
Oh yeah.
White Stripes, Blur, Gorillaz, Nirvana, Oasis.
Fighters.
I'll take it.
Then you get to
Radiohead.
Radiohead, interestingly.
Nice.
Ah,
Okay.
obviously
Yeah,
Red Hot
actually,
yeah.
grew up on Blur and Kaiser Chiefs. So,
Nice.
but yeah, Isaac's clothes there are all mine. He refused to go out in the rain, unless
Yeah, of
because he didn't want
course.
to ruin his clothes. So
Yeah.
I
He
gave
did
him
that.
mine.
He did that with Horse. He refused to fall on the ground whilst I was doing full-on like commando rolls. So
This is an intervention, Isaac.
what he'd do is he'd get on his knees and pretend to fall down, or like
Yeah.
he'd tell me to cut before he actually falls down, so he doesn't actually have to get down in the mud and work for his craft.
Bless him. And there I am in the pouring rain in shorts and
There are two types of people. He also doesn't toast his bread. His toast properly. It's basically just crispy bread.
Is this just a Isaac roast now?
Yeah, it is. And what's he gonna do about it? Roast me back? I lost all integrity like 12 years ago. You can't touch me.
Some amazing editing here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was really good. Isaac was the one who added the effects. My direction.
Yeah. Are those like blobs on the screen effects?
They're
were they
real.
already there? They're real. Was that an
Because of the
accident?
rain. Rain got
Yeah.
on the camera.
That's so cool.
Yeah. I love this.
Oh, and then the car comes in just as like.
Yeah, just
yeah.
as it
That's
ends.
cool.
It's perfect timing.
And then you just run back.
Runs back and jumps. Perfect. Love
Yeah.
it. My memory. Track 5.
Oh my god. there's only so many times you can play that bit.
Trust your skin.
Oh, fuck. Ooh, I like this one. Very like 80s poppy.
Oh yeah, this is very synth pop.
I was doing loads of dance moves for you to cut in.
The vast majority of composition here is Isaac. I was like the mixer.
Nice. Good mixing for it.
I wrote that lyric though.
Ah, nice. Like that one.
There's actually a story behind that lyric. I know confession is no reward. It was actually a misheard lyric from Immortalize.
Right.
Before it was out on Genius, I thought it was instead of maybe perfection is not real. I thought it was I know confession is no reward. And when I told him that, it was too good to not use somewhere.
Nice.
So we slotted it in there.
That's cool. Oh, that first bit gave me Love Concept vibes.
Yeah, so this song and the next song are actually re-releases from an independent project I did.
Oh, yeah, I thought I recognised it. That and
Completely
that and
reproduced, redone, like entire new sections and stuff. But
what about Dreadnought? I noticed that one there.
it is so much better.
Nice. Good.
What in the
Oh. I like that vocal.
Yeah, this I think is the one that's best suited to my vocal style.
Definitely.
Because you'll hear like in the next line, because this is a refrain, it's repeated. This line here.
Yeah.
Like that gets like amped up each time it repeats, and that really suits my like low range, my regrettably low range.
Nice. I really like that one. It definitely is like the best, the one that's best suited to your vocal range.
I think so.
That one was really good on the vocals.
Thank you. I think the only other two that I think are like I do subjectively like as good a job on are 10 and 15. So Sahara and Please Don't Make It Real, but we'll see when we get there. This next one is one I hate. I hate this one. But that's because it's really raw. So let's listen to this really depressing song.
It's not even track 11.
No, track 11's a bop. That's Dreadnought.
Ah, of course. Yeah, there's a lot of things about that one. There's a little bit of I remember you saying about a bit of narrative dissonance in that one with the vocals and the instrumental.
Yeah,
I see what you mean by that.
Isaac writes this really uplifting, like instrumental piece. Meanwhile, verse 1 is about having autism. Verse 2 is about suicide. Verse 3 is about losing your parents, and verse 4 is about all of the women in my family dying quite young. And Isaac's like,
you could never understand. All the time that I wasted, all the time that I wasted, all the
A bit of fun.
Yeah, that bit in particular kind of reminds me a bit of again, like the Fullmetal Alchemist first, the Brotherhood first opening.
Fun fact: this was one of the first ones Isaac put in to be in the album.
Really?
And he lost the production file for it twice.
Oh, I remember him talking about that. I think, like how he lost like 6 episodes of Battle for the Channel.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, I like the orchestral bit as well. You know, we actually hired a full orchestra for Flemcore too.
Really?
Very faked it.
Yeah, they loved the first album so much they just said they'd do it for free. That and we laced all their drinks with acid, so they were just down for anything.
Acid, you say?
Yeah.
No, it's just my drink is a little. You haven't.
No.
I'm feeling a little ting. James?
No. Enough of what though? Ooh, I like that bit at the end as well.
No.
Polishes it off.
Grammarly can help
Grammarly
you
helps
and
you.
confidently. So
my
you don't
Grammarly's a
have to slow down
perfectionist.
at work.
It's actually about fame.
Instant
The
corrections
verses
make your
clarify
writing
that.
Ah, right. Yeah, that makes sense. I thought it was. I thought it was
famously
your.
an industry show.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, who else would put a mid-roll ad in a song? You know.
True.
Anyway, next up, Sahara. This is one you said that you enjoyed, wasn't it?
This is my favorite.
This is your favorite. Okay. All right. Let's see. Ooh. I like the acoustics on that one.
This is one Isaac recorded the guitars and drums for, and I wrote a song around it.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful demon, limp and flayed under the red moon. Feel my mood. Red tide dries out the ground, and the desert monsters are here at the strike of 11. Someone tell me, is this hell or heaven? You clutch your wings from a small bird. I thought that you had surrendered, but the red tide dried out the ground in the desert. You clutch your wings from a small bird. I thought that you had surrendered, but the red tide dried out the ground in the desert.
Yeah, it was a nice one. I'm not sure where it would rank on my listing, but yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, that's fine. It's very stylistic.
Yeah.
That's the case with side B. That I mean, like particularly 12 and 13.
I'm interested to see how it's changed because this one is old. Like what was it? Try Again. Like they're both very old songs.
Similar periods.
Yeah, so I'm interested to see how it's changed.
in my hands flee.
I love my delivery there. It's like really choky.
But if you're in the kitchen, would you wear a apron?
No. I'd wear nothing.
I'm not made for
Interesting.
I'm a dreamer. I'm a dreamer. I've got to last enough. It goes red when he tells us dreadnought, I've already said on, so we will be dead without my head.
That one has changed a lot
Yeah.
from what I remember.
Yeah. Acoustic drums, way thicker harmony, way more mid and low end.
Better mixing on the vocals.
Yeah, way better mixing. New harmonies. You know, the guitar solo carries through the coda. You know, that last chorus, it keeps going. And there's like this bit at the end where instead of just doing the normal thing of like, I'm a dreadnought, pause, 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 when I'm out my head. There's now like a build up there as all the instruments are getting louder, like I'm a dreadnought, heart's already set, so soon we will be dead when I'm out my head.
Yeah, I like
it works far more with that climax.
Nice.
Fuck, it doesn't matter to me. I'm a fan, she's my plan, so almost everything down.
Jivey.
Yeah, that one is not one of my favorites, but it does what it's supposed to do.
I could break eggs and cook them.
How many do you have though?
You want them, I could shake my legs. Just
Are you listening with stereo?
break bread and butter with
Do you have two like headphones on?
Yeah.
Take one of them off.
Oh yeah, I can. Yeah.
They are
I could-
the parts are completely
Yeah.
panned.
It's stereo.
My favorite of Isaac's contributions to the album is about to appear. You'll know it when you hear it.
It happened again. The rosy thorns get digging.
Oh, damn right, it's a trumpet.
I always love a trumpet in a song.
Breathing.
Oh,
I want
yes.
have seen it before and was just for a moment, one little moment. I was happy. That one little moment where I was pretty. Can we all forever just let this be beautiful?
That is the best place to put a trumpet.
Yeah, I love
that.
that so
Genuinely,
much.
just that just genuinely brings the whole song together. That trumpet.
Definitely. It was one of those ones. That song wasn't originally written to be quite so empty, but when the trumpet was added, again, Isaac, and a lot of the vision for this, I wrote it, but Isaac took it in a completely different direction. But I absolutely love what he did with it. It kind of cemented that this song needs to be empty so that trumpet is the emotional payoff.
Yeah, definitely. Wow, that was really good one. I like that.
And our first single,
Just the one day, actually.
a song that Isaac has been trying to write for 4 or 5 years, like before Spotted Boy Earth Run.
Was this on the old the old SoundCloud demos?
No. He didn't even write this one. He had a hook, the chorus, but he couldn't figure out what the rest of the song needed to sound like. So I wrote verse 1. I wrote the chords for verse 2. I added the whistling. And we kind of determined together what the narrative was about, so that we simultaneously wrote verse 1 and verse 2, where I wrote the first one, he wrote the second one, but
Cool.
they were similarly themed.
Let me go just one day.
I think for this section, Isaac kind of imagines this as like I think it was inspired by Arcade Fire, kind of like the bit where you
Yeah.
rouse your audience.
Yeah, I can see this.
Oh, down to the river, down to the river.
Yeah, I love that one. Just one day.
I'm glad that was our...
So, watch the mid-rollette, support Fictioneers! Last one of the album, Please Don't Make It Real.
I
More
like this one a lot.
More like, please don't make it end.
I intentionally... This is one of the ones that I sample and use at the end of the promotion. But I intentionally didn't, like I do for some of the other tracks, put the name of the track up, because I was like, that's too memeable. You can't have in an advert, please don't make it real, when you're trying to promote a product.
Yeah, that's funny. Let's go!
Let's go. Isaac traditionally having some very strong album closes, so it's got a
Yeah.
lot of competition. Immortalize, I'll Be a Tragedy, that mind.
And you know it ain't the same. Darling, please don't make it real. Heavy showers turn to rain. Come and chaff off from the grain. The wheat's gone all unmade. Tied up into grain. Cast off the plans we made. Guess I didn't make the grade.
Is that a higher grade reference?
Thought I'd never fade. Here we are, in the mess you made. Feelings unsaid. All the showers turn to rain. And you know it ain't the same. Darling, please don't make it real. You know it ain't the same. Darling, please don't make it real.
Roll credits.
Please don't make it real.
Ooh. Okay.
I recognize this tune.
Hang on a second. Wait a second. This ain't the beach, this is a bathtub.
Do you think next time you could find something a bit quieter to do?
Now that was at the start of the EP. Oh, and we're not listening to Pulp. Well, as you can see by the end roll ad, I guess now, that's the entirety of Maybe Boy. No, not Maybe Boy. All My Sons and Daughters. Why did I think it was Maybe Boys? Because that's the first thing I saw.
As you read.
Yeah. Yeah, it's alright.
like I said, it's passable.
No, I really enjoyed that. That was clearly a lot of time went into that, and
Yeah.
definitely wasn't wasted. You know, it was it's clearly like quite a culmination of a big passion project on your part and Isaac's part, and yeah, it was just really phenomenal to listen to.
Where angels go to play with fire, we'll be forgiven. We'll be forgiven. Let me go just one day without thinking about you. Living on an empty house, no got no control. So come back to me, come back to me in my memory. Your wings from a small bird. I thought that you had surrendered, but the red tide dried out and drowned in the desert.